I'm today in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should just go into the settings application, and then here click on the home screen and lock screen section. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. Tap there, and as can you see, you can select your new wallpaper from your device photos if you got some photos previously taken on your device, for example, or just, for example, downloaded from the internet, or also these static regular default wallpapers. Just to select one from this wallpaper, click once and then click here to apply, and we want to change the lock screen. So tap there, wait a second, and now as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just can select a slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and you will see here the wallpapers icon, or just hold for a while one from your screens. Just click here to wallpapers, and by the same way you can select one from the available wallpapers to change the lock screen on your device. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.